Hey there, I'm back with solving linear equations, a little bit of a refresher for people. In this case, we're solving a linear equation with two variables that are on the same side of the equal to sign. So in this case, I have x written twice, and they're both on the left side of the equal to sign. Gratefully, I don't have to move them around, okay? So, for some people, a little bit of a rewrite is always helpful. So if I take the left side of this, and I want to write the x's together, this is a plus 2x, so plus 2x, and this is subtracting 7. Some people, it actually helps in the beginning to do a little bit of a rewrite like that, so it's easier to see how to combine those x's. And if this is you, then please, by all means, write this line. If you're like, hey, I don't need to do that, I can go straight from here to the next one, then great, do it. You guys know who you are, all right? I'm just giving little hints, little tidbits if you need it. Okay, so I have a 3x and a 2x on the same side of the equal to sign. There's an addition between them. Right, so that means I have 5x minus 7 equals negative 17. And now this looks like a linear equation that we have solved before. All the x's are on one side, but I have a non-x on the same side as this 5x, which means it's got to go. So we have to kick it to the curb, so to speak. We got to kick it to the right side. So how do you get rid of this minus 7? Right, you have to add 7 to break the subtraction, and you add it to both sides. That's correct. And now, good, the 5x remains on the left side of the equal to sign, and on the right side, negative 10. Wonderful. So now that the x's are all on one side and the non-x is on the other, I need to get x by itself. What do I need to get rid of? The 5. How is the 5 attached? Multiplication. How do you break it? Division. Wonderful. I'm hearing you guys. You're doing a great job out there. So divide both sides by 5, which means on the left side of the equal to sign remains x. On the right side of the equal to sign is a negative 2. You got this. Well done. Okay, so I've got some examples to follow. You guys have fun with them, and I'll catch you on the flip side.